good afternoon and welcome to Grape Nuts Acres. I got a couple sprinklers to change, sprinkler heads. This one here is not oscillating like it should. So I dug it up and I ordered some sprinkler heads. I got one out there. I don't know if you can see the white pole or not. But that's when it was stuck up in the air when I was mowing yesterday and I ran over it. So I ordered 4 sprinkler heads. I have 2 extra. But this video is going to be about a new tool I got. Harbor Freight, obviously. But we're going to go see if we can't make it work. See if we can't make it work and do something with it. Got my air conditioner on. I turned it on with my phone on the way home and it seems to be working. But here's my new tool. And today we're going to be changing the blades on that sucker. Should be a great tool. I'm going to leave that orange one out here. I'm taking that one into the other garage so I don't have to carry it back and forth all the time whenever I need to work on one of those cars. So we're going to do an unboxing of this, see what it's like. It's pretty dang heavy, I'll tell you that much right now. But I think it's going to be about the same size as that other one, but this one feels a bit heavier. And it's a low profile, heavy duty, rapid pump, dual piston. So we'll see how long it lasts and see if it works. So I'm going to get some tools together and then I'll get the unboxing done and then I'll show you what it looks like.
So, the bag of ropes in the driver's test line is messing with the license renewal line. Hey, newbie, stay on your side. You and what line divider is going to make me?
Let's shave
my legs to the knees for this. Down relax with a nice cup of tea. Which one are you doing if he's in the tea kettle? Oh, a flat cat flipper. I usually don't cook, but when you're in love, you do crazy things. I'll just
Probably won't need that ever again, huh?
Let's see, running time 2 hours. Oh, the kettle's whistling. Just the way I like it. Thick and obnoxious. Uh-oh, let's call the fire brigade. Wow, they're already here. Oh. So that's my projected new driver's test route. Nice dress.
It worked all right.
Where's the 3-point turn of this baby? Bailey Street.
Bailey Street? The freshman page? Bailey Street? Oh yeah, let's wear that out.
Sorry.
Got grease work here.
Stress at home. Scared in the
I'm going to jack up this lawnmower right now.
Hey, let's go home. Hey. Now don't be an idiot.
See if we can get this done, huh?
You will definitely find someone. Some young bruiser can eat corn in the cob and not think twice about it. You really think so? Absolutely. Now, how about giving an old man one last dance?
Let's do this a little different here.
Thank goodness back to school is almost here. So get a free 5G phone on us. So you can order some last-minute school supplies while the kids enjoy the last moments of summer. Get a free 5G phone on us, on America's most reliable 5G network. Find us at straighttalk.com and Walmart.
If you feel held back by the weight of financial decisions, we can give you the tools to help you break free. Credit Karma gives you personalized guidance to improve your credit, savings, taxes, and more, so you can find your way to money. Intuit Credit Karma, karma you can count on.
We're ready. You guys want to do a little swap?
Yeah, I'm gonna be into it.
There we go.
One-time casual thing.
15/16 socket to get these blades off. Why don't you come down here with me? Some of these take a little bit, but for the most part they come off. And there we go. Done and done. All right, let's see what we got for a tool here. It's actually a tool for sharpening my mower blades. I think it's gonna work out pretty good. That video that showed was pretty informative. Looks like we gotta bolt it down to a piece of wood or something. Oh, they come with bolts and everything. Cool. Like a spacer. This goes in here, I do know that part. And here's how you adjust your these bolts actually hold the blade. And this is how you adjust your angle of what you want it to do. Gotta get it out of the decant there. There we go. Put it on about 30. We'll put it on 30 and try that. But anyway, blade sits in there just like this. Don't lose the springs. No, I took that out so far. But so it's nice and snug. You can tighten it down if you need to, but and this thing bolts down to a piece of wood. And your grinder goes right in here and but direction time. Let's start with step one. Mount this sucker to a, oh, it goes like this. Go like this. There you go. There we go. I gotta get me a piece of wood or a bench or something to mount this to. I want something portable so I can take it outside and use it. So word to self, Don't ever throw anything away. I repurposed this old stand I used for my old air conditioner. And it's going to now house the bracket that's going to hold the sharpener tool on it. Now when I have a blade on there, got my grinder going, I can step on this to hold it steady. Here we got some handles that I'm going to, yeah, we can do that. Two different size handles, I'll put them right here. I'll drill a hole and put the tool in there too. Oh, those are metric and standard. So I gotta drill 4 holes, 5 holes. Screw these in. And I'll write on here what they are. So I'll be back when I got that all done. Alright, let's see how this thing does, huh? Let's see how this thing does. Hopefully it'll be alright. I've never done this before, so just hang on. It does pretty good, huh? It does pretty good. Alright, I think we're calling that a day. Next time I have to sharpen these, I'm going to straighten that edge out, and a couple of them are pretty ratty. So that little tool worked out pretty good. I'll be happy with that. I'm sure it beats doing your own guessing work on the angle, but it worked out really good. So today is July 23rd, 2025. I forgot to say that, I think, in the beginning. But I'm going to call this video done, and we're going to call it a day. It is freaking hot today, 94, 95 degrees, I think. Heat index around 100. But I'm going to go back inside where it's air conditioned better. This thing works, but not great. So I'll call this a day and talk to you later. All right, today is July 24th. 2025. Got a couple sprinkler heads to change out. Get them going again. But I've got to figure out what kind of nozzle they have on them. I got some new sprinkler heads yesterday, and they're all wet. So they were used. I wish I would have never run over that one, but it happens for a reason. And there was one other one that was being not playing nice with others, so probably a good thing it happened, because now I'm going to change it out. And I marked, we got a ½ inch of rain last night too, so ground is still pretty wet. It's only supposed to be in the 70s today, which is great. Can't complain about that one bit. But here's my other sprinkler head I gotta change out. Right there, I put this marker there. Obviously the rain had some issues with it. But let's see if we can get this dug out again and see what we got here. This one's probably still good, but I'm going to change it out anyway. This is the one I ran over, and this was the one that was not playing nice. We've got a 2.0. I'm not sure what the other one was. We got a 3.0 in this one, so we're going to call it okay. to adjust this for 360. Alright, let's hope that works. All we can do is hope and pray it does. Get this hole opened up a little more. I don't know if that's the right place or not, but that's where it's going to go. And when I get my tool in for being able to bring this up, I'll go look at the other ones and see what they got in them. This other one's right here in the corner. No spring or nothing on it, it's just laying there. I have to go clean it off. It looks like I'll have to clean it off. That's got a 2 as well. So we're going to be changing. I think I'm going to leave that other one a 3. But I'll go get my other nozzle for this and get it changed out. Alright. This one's got a 3 in it also. So we're just going to leave it a 3. There we go. There we go. Looks like a 180. That should work fine. Yep, that should work fine. That should work great. In fact, let's get this put back together. I really hate the fact that that thing is so freaking low in the ground. But I can't change that. Well, I could, but... we're not going to. I don't know how far down that goes. We're going to call that good. There we go. That'll work until the grass grows back over it again. I don't know why they made it so low, but they did. I don't know how deep it is, but I'm sure it's at least a foot deep. I don't want to dig a hole that deep to change the riser in it. So that's done. Yeah. So that's done. We'll call that a day now. This one's junk. Throw that away. So that's going to do it for this video. As always, stay grape nuts.